Did you know that there are engineers that are creating cars that go around in your body? But not the cars you're thinking of. These cars, or chimeric antigen receptors, are a type of protein that biological engineers will put into your T cells to allow them to recognize and attack cancer cells. To create CAR T cells, you first need to collect healthy T cells from the patient. The T cells are then taken to a lab where the gene for the CAR protein is inserted into them. The T cells are then duplicated millions of times and returned to the patient. The receptors on CAR proteins are attracted to antigens found on the surface of cancer cells. For example, the CD19 receptor is found on the surface of malignant B cells, and when the CAR T cell binds to the protein, sort of like how a car will go into a parking spot, it will activate and begin to release anti-tumor measures that attack the cancer cell. One of the anti-tumor measures is two different cytotoxic molecules. One of the cytotoxic molecules is perforin that bores into the cancer cell and leaves it full of holes. Then the other cytotoxic molecule, granzymes, will enter through the holes and trigger apoptosis in the cancer cell. Your CAR T cells can also last a very long time because they proliferate when exposed to their target antigen. There are currently 6 approved methods for CAR T cell therapy, with 4 of them being used to treat leukemia and lymphoma, which originates in your B cells. The CD19 receptor is found on all of your B cells, which means that your T cells may also harm your healthy B cells, which causes B cell aplasia, which results in infections. You may also get cytokine release syndrome and neurotoxicity, which means that your T cells have released too many cytotoxic molecules, which can lead to severe reactions such as seizures, cerebral edema, and delirium. However, CAR T cells still remain a great option for getting rid of cancer. Take Emily, for example. She was the first ever patient to undergo CAR T cell therapy, and just 23 days after receiving the CAR T cells, the cancer was gone and she has had no more recurring symptoms. With more research and development, CAR T cells could prove to be a fantastic way of getting rid of cancer forever.